But do you see this highlight though? Okay, wait, hold. Do you see this highlight though? Oh my god. What are you talking about? This highlight is popping, okay? It's popping with a capital P. Popping severely. What are you talking about? Out. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Thanks for watching. Y'all know what time it is. It's getting close to Valentine's Day, so you know I had to come through with the Valentine's Day makeup look for you. We got some nice purple fills going on, okay? So if you want to look good for your man, if you have a man, or if you just want to look good, you're going out with your friends, whatever you're doing, I'm going out with my friends because you know I don't have a man, so I'm accepting applications though. If you got a brother or a cousin, tell him call me, okay? I'm just playing, y'all. I'm not playing, no. I'm just playing. Yeah, y'all, it's a really simple look. I used a lot of affordable products. I'm not gonna say all drugstore, but the eyeshadow is drugstore. The lashes are drugstore. It's a lot of drugstore. I'm gonna have everything in the description box for you. Just look out. We got pictures, all that good stuff. So if you wanna know how I got this look, keep watching. Yeah, actually, before you even watch this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what other videos you guys wanna see. Okay, now you can watch the video. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm just going to go in with my NYX Photo Loving Primer. And this is one of my favorite primers to use. I've been using it for a while, as you can see. So I'm just going to go in with like a pea size. And I'm going to rub that on all the high points of my face. And I'm just going to go in with my Badescu, and I'm just going to spray my face to set that primer in. And I'm going to let that dry a bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my Glam Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And I'm also just going to take a pea-sized amount of that and put that in the high points of my face as well. Next, I'm going to take my NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the color Syracuse, and I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics No. 2 brush and buff that into the skin. If you see me looking down, I'm looking in my mirror. I'm just going to take some more of that Sheer Glow and build the coverage up a bit, focusing it mostly on my problem areas this time around, in any area that just didn't get enough the first go around. Do not forget, get your neck. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Clean Beauty Blender. Emphasis on clean. If your beauty blender is dirty, I'm judging you. Just kidding. I'm not kidding though. If your beauty blender isn't clean, go wash it and thank me later. Real talk. Thank me later. I don't know if I like this color, but we are going to like it today because it's on my face already. I don't know if I look pale or if I just really am pale. What do you guys think? Comment below. Alright, So next I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Cocoa. And I'm just going to use that to cream contour my face. Then using my Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm just going to buff that into my skin. And I love using this stick foundation to contour because it blends so smooth and seamlessly. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend the contour out on my nose. Next I'm going in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Golden, and I'm going to use that for my highlight. And using the back end of my beauty blender, I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting powder, and I'm going to use that to set all the places that I highlighted. Next I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose powder, and I'm just going to use that to set the rest of my face. Now I'm just going to spray my face with the Badescu to set everything I just did. Next, going in with that same Colourpop No Filter Concealer, I'm going to use that as my primer for my eyelids. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend that in, and then go back in with that same Airspun powder to set. So for the eyes, I'm going to take my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade. It's like a brown with hints of orange. And I'm going to take that on a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to work that all through my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. And I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to work that into my outer corner and my crease. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take this deep purple color. And I'm just going to work that into my outer and inner corner. And I'm really going to pack that color in there. I want it nice and pigmented. Now going in with my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, I'm just going to blend that shadow out. Now I'm going to take a moist, dense eyeshadow brush. Using this purple shimmery color here, I'm going to pack that into the center of my eyelid. Now I'm just going to focus back on the face really quickly. I'm going to take my Absolute New York Pearl Bronzer in the color medium. I'm going to take an e.l.f. powder brush and use that to bronze out my cheeks. And I'm just going to use circular motions for that bronzer to avoid harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Obviously one of my faves, as you can see. I'm just going to use an angled eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. Gonna blend those lines out with my Beauty Blender. Back in over the nose one more time. Now I'm gonna use my Sephora Lash Craft Length and Value Mascara. And I'm gonna put mascara on my top eyelashes. Come back and do the bottom once my whole face is done. Nothing worse than putting mascara on your bottom lashes and ruining your whole face. So that's literally the last thing I do. Now I'm gonna go apply my lashes off camera and I will be right back. All right, ladies, and I have on one of my favorite lashes. That is the, give me a second, Kiss Lashes in Demi Wispy. Now I'm just gonna finish up my eyes. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses small detailing brush, going back into that Carli Bybel palette, and I am going to take this darker purple color that we used on the inner and outer corner, and I'm going to use that to smoke out my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with this gold shimmer shade, and I'm just going to put that into my inner corner. What's going on? What you doing? I am filming the makeup look as we speak.
Oh, you filming for like a YouTube channel?
Yes. Sorry, y'all. I got a phone call right at the end of this, but you know, we gotta keep it pushing. I'm just gonna go in with my Carli Bybel palette once again, and I'm going to mix two of the highlighter colors. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush to highlight my cheeks and my nose, and I'm going to use my fan brush to highlight my brow bone. Alright, y'all, this is how you know we getting close to wrapping up. I'm just going to go back in with that same mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. Always, you know me. Can't be no other way.
I'll talk to you later. I'll text you and shit.
Alright.
Alright, peace.
How am I in the middle of relationship drama and I don't even got a boyfriend? God, what's going on? Anyway, y'all. So I'm just using this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the color Honeymoon. And this is going to give you like a darker lip if you want to go that route. Keep it purple. Or if you want to keep it a little light, you know. That's crazy. It's only right you got relationship drama in a Valentine's Day makeup look. If you want to keep it something simple with the purple eye, I'm going with a gloss. I'm going to take my Fenty Gloss Bomb which is going to bring more attention to your eyes and really make that eyeshadow pop. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Give this video a big thumbs up. Now, I'll see you guys next time.